Washingtonians are still reeling from a disastrous bomb cyclone in November that killed 2 people and left 500,000 people in the dark. Power eventually came back on, thanks in part to the 3,000 federal workers at the Bonneville Power Administration, which owns 3/4 of the Pacific Northwest's high voltage network.
These are literally the people who keep the lights on. And now they're being fired on a whim because Trump and Elon Musk do not have a clue.
Washington state leaders like Senator Patty Murray and Governor Bob Ferguson say our electric grid's at risk. The Trump administration cut 430 positions at Bonneville this month. That number is nearly 15% of its total workforce. A coalition of local power companies that rely on Bonneville's services is run by this man, Spencer Gray.
So when you get in a stress situation, a bomb cyclone, an ice storm, big wildfires that take out a transmission line, you need people in a control room who know what they're doing, who've been there before, who can fix things.
President Trump says he's making these cuts to save you tax dollars, but the Bonneville Power Administration is self-funded by its customers.
Our electric rates cover the costs of all of that staff and all of that equipment. It's not covered by the taxpayers. So the idea that we're somehow making the government more efficient, we're finding cost savings, simply doesn't hold true for Bonneville.
Maddie White reporting the Trump administration has also put agencies under a hiring freeze, so those essential workers can't be replaced right now. Gray tells us he hopes people speak out to their representatives to oppose some of these job cuts.